Hey, what's up guys? This is Fix It Felix. Today I'm going to show you how to fix and bypass the problem with the 2004s, or I think it was 2002 and up, GMC Yukons. This also applies for the Silverados and Chevys. I'm not sure what other cars, but I'll put the links in the description. Now the problems we're getting is all the connection is on, but the radio don't turn on. Is because you need to bypass it or add power to these two cables. So I'm gonna show you how to do this quick. I looked online on YouTube and nobody tells you the right way. So this goes right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get power from this one right here, which is 10 amps ignition. Let me show you where it is, which is this guy right here. So let's get him out first. All right. All right, now what we have to do is we gotta put a cable there so we can get power. Now there's some easier ways to do it. You can buy like a special adapter, but I'm just gonna show you how to do this way. If you find a way to do it safer or better, then you can do it your way. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this cable right here, and I'm gonna put it back where it came from, right there. All right. All right. Now what we have to do is you can turn the ignition to on, and if you get this cable and connect the yellow and red, let me show you. Yeah, put them together there. You touch those two and press the power button. You see it turns on. So it's really simple solution. And this solution is going to save you around $100 to $200 depending where you're going. They'll charge you for the installation and for there's a special tool they use to do this. But this way is easy, cheap, and what you can do with this cable is you can run it behind the dash or somewhere where they can see it. And I mean, that's it. That's pretty much it. This is how to bypass and fix the GMC, Chevy, Chevrolet problems. Now guys, if you want to hide the cable, you can pull this a little bit out. You see how it pulls out. You don't need to unscrew anything, just pull a little bit. And you can run it through here. Yeah, it's inside. Run it through here. And then from here, you can just the cables, so you won't be able to see the cable. Now you can just do the connection right here. You see, cable's not showing. Put everything back. All right, and there's your cable. And now you can do the connection from here. So if this video was helpful, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, peace.